All right, today is the day to get the poor man's paint gun out. Some Rust-Oleum flat spray paint. He's got the Times True Ultra cover, so that's how you know it'll work, you know. So let's get started. All right, gonna let this dry. You guys gotta check this out. See that? It's a cold shot. That's a big cold shot. Little cold shots right there. Big cold shot, big cold shot, big cold shot, big cold shot, big cold shot. Oh, little cold shots all around here. Looks like the moon. A very large cold shot there. One right there too. One right here too. One right here too. Bunch of them right around here. Whoever did this, a company, and they just threw these out the door. They didn't really do a huge amount of quality checks. I thought that was pretty interesting right there. Would clean that up, but I'm not looking for perfection right now. Like I said, it's gonna be a working lathe, so it's okay. I'd be more worried if it was like at the crucial parts, like right here or down the stem, but it's not. That's probably why they passed it too. This casting actually came out way better than that one did. Must have been done on different days or done on the last day of the job. I don't know. But I thought that was pretty interesting. Alright, we're going to let this sit and come back and show you what color I got. Alright, well, apologize for the noise, but got a yapping dog next door. I like dogs, but I don't like the yappers. So, here is our color choice. Red. So, here we go. Alright, that is it. I'm going to let this dry. I can tell this job's going to be a several job coat, because this cast iron is really soaking in the red paint. But it actually looks alright. This tailstock came out really nice. But like I said before, this has a way better casting than the head stock does. Head stock is full of cold shots and whatnot. But this came out really nice. Handle did too. Alright, well, I'm gonna let this cook. So, gonna work on this. After this, it'll be assembly time. And then, once I assemble it, be able to turn a proper pulley for it. So, that's all I got for this episode. So, y'all stay tuned for the next one, if you would, please. Hit the subscribe button if you would, please. Don't forget to tap the notification bell. That way the algorithm knows that you like seeing the latest and greatest content on YouTube. All right, later.